Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to search for a hashtag on your True Social account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for True Social. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to truesocial.com. We can use the bookmark shortcut to take us to the website True Social. And now make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the profile. Let's go to the search bar and search for the hashtag Computer Science Videos. Before we even do that, let's just scroll down to all the truths that I have posted on my profile. As you can see, I always tend to use the hashtag Computer Science Videos. Let's just click on this for the purpose of this tutorial, and we can see that Computer Science Videos has its own fan base. So let's go back to the profile. Let's go to the search option and hashtag Computer Science Videos, and here we can see people, truths, hashtags, and how many people are talking about this hashtag. Let's click on this Computer Science Videos, and there we can see everything that I or other people on the platform have posted. So we can scroll through however many truths have been posted. This really depends on if, let's say, 1 million people are talking about that one hashtag, or maybe one person or few. Everything will be posted to the website. So we can now go back to profile, quit Safari, and so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.